Many kinds of belief, but you have belief.
Oh, you have local belief? Okay. That means I have to take a dip there. I have to take a dip in the water. Up. Can't get. Sum, water. No, then how? I'll drink. Oh, so nice. How much I have to pay to go there?
20 each.
20 feet. Let me make one video and I'll come. I'll go and drink your medicinal water. Thank you. Now we are going to this sacred waterfall here, where they believe that if we drink this water here, our ailment will be cured. Let's go and see. You can see here. Welcome to dawai. The water that is dawai. Dawai means medicine. Medicinal water. Medicinal water. I'm gonna go and drink and pray that my few ailments will be over. There are some people already coming down from there. You drink the water? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go and drink too. Hello.
Hello.
Man, this bamboo bridge is awesome. I'm getting scared. This bamboo bridge is awesome. Oh god, this bridge is too good. Ah, no. Now I'm getting scared. Now I'm really getting scared. Because I just weigh around 98 kg only. And one wrong foot. Oh, and I'm very tall also. I'm just 6'3" only. Wow. I think people are already drinking water. You can take also. This is the medicinal water they're talking about. They're filling it. There are these people having the water, the baby also, little baby also. Now it's my turn. Now I'm gonna go there and have my bottle. I'm gonna fill it in my bottle also. Okay, let me try now. You have your bamboo glass. This is the medicinal water, pure drinking water, coming from the middle of the stone, the rock. The locals say if you believe, it cures many diseases. So let me bring it. It's really sweet. Sweet. Let me drink one more glass. It's very sweet. You'll not get this kind of water every time. That's it. So I'm cured now. Medicinal water I drank just now. Oh yeah. I just drank water. Medicinal water. And I believe that I'll be cured. Let's hope I'll get cured.